welcome you all to this stakeholders workshop organized by IIPGH in partnership with its sponsor, Code for Africa from Leipzig, Germany.
Indeed, we started a journey beginning of this year, and we are very happy to announce that we've done a very good job, and today will be the day that we'll showcase what we have done and also discuss areas that we can create sustainable opportunities.
The main intervention in this project was to train trainers of trainers who are going to be multipliers in their various communities, wherever in their various institutions.
One of the main issues that have been going on recently is to focus or to re-look at the future of work and how to place our young ones or our kids. For this reason, we are saying that the 21st century skills and emerging technologies such as coding, robotics. We hear about people doing robotics every day, but we do not really focus on what it is or what it can do for us. Artificial intelligence, mobile applications, etc. are all important in today's field of work and even in our societies, our communities.
We started with the Coding Caravan. We started from our hub back in August, and we had to go to our hub. We used our hub. We went to Adenta, and then again to Ho to do all of this. So we watch briefly snippets of that video, and then I'll come in briefly.
11th of October is celebrated worldwide as the International Day of the Girl Child, and it's a special day to recognize girls and also empower them.
In the 21st century, coding and things related to ICT, developing of apps is very critical for national development.
I want to share how important this program has been in my school. I started with only my students, but later on, the community joined in. That is why we had 2 sessions.
So I say this to underpin the fact that what you guys are doing here, we 30 years ago, 40 years ago, couldn't have dared to dream. You are opening a whole new avenue for them. You are creating the next future leaders and the next technicians and the next programmers. And you know, in many places like Google, if you can program, whether you learned it on the street or not, you could get a job. Programming is a skill. If you have a skill, you get a job.
And so if we should have any opportunity, is to ensure that the future is changed for the younger ones. Now, if we compare ourselves to other countries, then you realize that we are lost in the ocean.
What is happening with what has happened in the world is that there is an equal playing field now. Africa missed out on the first industrial revolution. We missed out on the second industrial revolution. What do we produce? At best, we assemble. We missed out on the third industrial revolution, and the fourth industrial revolution has suddenly leveled the playing field.
We identified that human resource is going to be a greater challenge. We also identified that logistics is very important, which is also a hindrance right now.
We need to have centers in communities, especially in the cities and the district capitals, where we can have some sort of a center that we have resource persons that can be there to make sure that the interests of the children are sustained, where we will run a constant program.
In order to sustain coding, we need to create awareness. And after you have created awareness, you need to scale it up. And by scaling it up, it means expanding the user base or the people that are going to benefit from it. Then after scaling up, certainly you have to concentrate on sustaining it.
We want to say a big thank you for coming. We look forward to having you back. This time around, it should be us showing results of the things that we have discussed today. It will be good for us to come back again maybe a year from now and actually talking about success stories, the things that we've been able to do from the decisions that we've taken from this particular workshop